challenges for a woman? What do you think about the woman entrepreneurship, and what challenges does a woman in particular face?
I think a woman faces all the challenges that a man faces in entrepreneurship, plus a couple more. So we have challenges that we want to raise funds, we want good people in a business, we want an idea that is scalable, we want investors. So other than the challenges that a founder faces, right? Whether it is man or a woman, I think we should probably do away with the term woman entrepreneurship. It is entrepreneurship. So there are entrepreneurship challenges. Then there are women specific challenges because we are supposed to be caretakers. So we have to understand how to do the time management between our personal life and our professional life. For example, if the child is hungry, the expected role is that the mother will get up and do things. If your partner is hungry, if your in-laws, or forget your in-laws, even if your parents are there, so the expected role of a caretaker is there. And there is no leniency in there, right? As much as we have progressed in professional domains, the personal things have not really gone down, right?
Yes,
So
absolutely.
that is one big challenge. The second challenge that I think women entrepreneurs face is women. No, and I'll share with you a personal story. So we were talking to an investor for funding, and I'm the founder, right? This is my idea. I brought the top team from India and we started this. But the idea was mine, the research was mine, the product development was mine. But when I had to speak to an investor for funds, they're like, oh, is there no male counterpart in your organization?
Really?
Like, I am the founder. Like, no, don't you have any other co-founders who are male? I said, yeah, I do. But so the gist of the thing is that you face this. A lot of times, maybe in tier one cities, no, but tier two, yes. I come from a tier one city, I have faced this. Then this will be the second challenge. You know, that thing, oh, ye to woman hai, ye kya hi karegi? Koi आदमी भी तो होना चाहिए. How do we trust her with responsibility? And this is something similar that goes in professional domains. You know, इसका बच्चा ये तो छुट्टी लेगी, कल को बच्चा बीमार है, ये छुट्टी लेगी. Father नहीं लेगा, right? So that is the problem number two. Problem number three, I think what we face is we have a very, very big imposter syndrome. हमको ऐसा लगता है कर पाएंगे कि नहीं.
Okay.
ठीक है, हमको ऐसा लगता है कि होगा कि नहीं. देर आर सो मैनी पीपल, वाई वुड पीपल कम टू अस? बिकॉज शुरू से ही कंडीशनिंग हमको वो रहा है ना, दैट वी हैव टू सप्रेस अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू गेट थिंग्स डन. एंड देन it applies because ultimately you're a founder and your values, your thinkings, your beliefs get transmuted into your business. So you'd feel, oh, पता नहीं कोई आएगा नहीं आएगा, you know, how will I sell, how will I scale up? तो वो एक added चीज़ आती है because somewhere very small part of us still feels that we're lesser than man, and it is an internal thing. I'm not saying society has done anything. Society change हो रही है, but वो अंदर चीज़ रह गई है. So that is, I think, three most important things that are holding us back. One, our own beliefs. Two, the attitude of the people who we need as mentors, as our investors. And three is the general founder challenges that everybody faces.